What's going on, guys? Matt here, Service Industry Coach, and if you have not hit that subscribe button, do it right now as I post videos on a regular basis on how to grow and scale your home service business. If you guys have been following us for any period of time, you know that we own a marketing business that works with hundreds of service companies all over the country. And I have to say, out of all the people we've worked with, about 90% of them all fall in the same bucket where they all pretty much know what to do, but for some reason don't do it. And this became such a common conversation that I started asking the question to all of them, if you know what to do, why aren't you doing it? And the answer was almost always the same. It was, well, I start things, but I just don't finish them. For whatever reason, I don't really know. And if we're being honest with ourselves, we all can probably relate to that to some degree, even myself. And that's why I started the Accountability Collective. It's where we have a group of 10 people, and it's a straight accountability group where we're building relationships with other people in the same industries that we're in. We jump on 3 calls a week for 10 minutes, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Every Monday we set new goals. Wednesdays and Friday calls are set up to make sure we're holding each other accountable to those goals. And this has been a massive shift in people's businesses. Literally having an accountability partner and holding each other to the goals and dreams that we have for ourselves and our businesses has been massive. And it's even been a game changer for me. I've hired coaches, I've hired individuals to do the exact same thing for me in the past and current, and I will tell you it's a game changer when it comes to growing your business. I think if you can master the skill set of doing, like the majority of us can watch a million videos just like this and learn everything, but if we don't do, then all the knowledge that we have is no good. But for whatever reason, as human beings, sometimes we have a hard time doing things consistently for a long period of time. However, if we have that one person or that group of people in our life where we can say, hey, this is my goal, this is what I'm going after, and I need you to make sure I do it. I need you to make sure that I don't quit. I don't quit halfway through. I see this goal and this task all the way through because I know if I complete it, it's gonna take me from here to here in my business. When you have those people in your life, the whole game changes. And that's what the Accountability Collective is. If you're interested in it, I put the link below. Now listen, I didn't make this video because I'm trying to sell you our accountability group. As much as I would love to have you in it, that's not why I made this. I made this because I want to encourage you to go find that accountability partner or accountability group that gets you to the next level. The only thing holding you back right now is doing. If you're brand new in business, you know that you need to be out there handing out postcards by hand, but you're not doing it. Why? Because nobody's holding you accountable. If you're a business doing 7 figures, you know there's high level tasks that you need to be doing right now that you're not doing. Why? Because nobody's holding you accountable. You need to go find an accountability partner. I did it in my life, and I guarantee you, when you find the right group or the right person that will hold you accountable to everything you say, you're gonna look back 3, 6, 12 months from now, and your life's gonna be completely different. And best part is, you're gonna start to build a belief in yourself that you can do what you say you do. I'm gonna end on this note. We as individuals have lost belief in ourselves for the most part. Why? Because we've said we're gonna do so many things that we didn't follow through on, that now when we say we're going to do things, you don't actually believe yourself. And if you don't believe yourself from the get, it's never going to happen. So get an accountability partner or join our accountability group and start to build that muscle again so you can start to build that belief in yourself. And when you do, your life will change, I guarantee it. I love you guys. I will see you on the next video. Take care.